Need to quickly convert one currency into another. Windows Calculator includes a built-in currency converter that uses online exchange rates, making it easy to estimate values without opening a web browser. In this guide, I'll show you how to convert currency with Windows Calculator in 2026. First, click the Start menu, search for Calculator, and open the app. Once it launches, you're ready to access the built-in currency conversion tool. Click the menu button in the upper left corner and scroll down to the Converter section. Then select Currency from the list of available conversion categories. Select the currency you want to convert from, then choose the destination currency. You can convert between hundreds of supported currencies from around the world. Type the amount you want to convert. The converted value appears automatically using the current exchange rate available to the Calculator app. If your computer is connected to the internet, Windows Calculator can update its exchange rates automatically. If the displayed rates seem outdated, look for the Update Rates option to refresh the latest currency information. Use the currency converter when planning international travel, shopping on overseas websites, comparing prices, budgeting, or managing business expenses. It's a fast way to estimate values without visiting a separate currency conversion website. And that's how to convert currency with Windows Calculator in 2026. Whether you're traveling, shopping internationally, or working with multiple currencies, the built-in currency converter provides quick and convenient exchange rate calculations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.